Process of nutrition in animals. All of you have seen different kinds of animals and the food they used to eat. You know some common grazing animals around us that are cow, buffalo, goat, etc. And they used to eat grass and some other type of food, whatever that is available to them. Whenever they get food, they used to chew it quickly and later on swallow it, and a large amount they used to eat at the same time. So, what do they do actually? They just partially chew it or half chew it and later on swallow this. And when they swallow this food, this enter into the part of their stomach, and that part is called rumen. This food is partially digested and this is called curd. When these animals they don't eat anything, that curd it returns to the mouth in little amount or in the form of small lumps, and later on they chew it easily. This process is called rumination, and such kind of animals, these are called ruminants. They are having four chambered stomach, and these chambers are rumen, reticulum, omasum and abomasum. So whenever they eat food, that enter into the rumen first. From rumen it goes to reticulum, from reticulum omasum and then abomasum. Grass contains cellulose. In human beings, cellulose cannot be digested and it goes out of the body in the same way. And cellulose normally we used to say fibers or rough phase. But such kind of animals means ruminants, they are able to digest cellulose. How? Because in their digestive system special type of bacteria lives, and that bacteria are helpful for digestion of cellulose. These bacteria that are present in a special part of their digestive system named cecum. This cecum is present between small intestine and large intestine. As you can see in the picture, this portion cecum is shown here. So this cecum is helpful in digesting cellulose, but these bacteria are absent in human beings. That's why humans are not able to digest cellulose. Feeding and digestion in amoeba. Amoeba is a unicellular organism and present in fresh water. Inside the cell, nucleus is present. So many small vacuoles are present and cytoplasm is there. The shape of amoeba is irregular and some projections are present on the surface of the cell, and these projections are called pseudopodia, or these are also called false feet. Amoeba, it used to feed on some very small organisms because itself it's a unicellular microscopic organism. So it used to feed on other microscopic organisms. It used to get its food, or ingestion is done with the help of pseudopodia. These pseudopodia, they just goes around the food. Later on, structures will be closed and will become food vacuole, or a small cavity is formed called food vacuole. With the help of this food vacuole, food enters into the body. Then some digestive enzymes are present in the cytoplasm. These enzymes, they used to break down the food into simpler form. This simpler form of food is utilized by the body of the amoeba for growth and later on for reproduction. When this cell reaches at its maximum size, then it will start to reproduce and will divide into two. After digestion, whatever waste materials are formed, that goes out of the body with the help of contractile vacuole.